So in my next video, we'll learn how to use the lattice command, and which we will use as to make a railing for the bridge we were making in the previous video. So first, under the element, we'll attach both the two arches. After, we'll go back to the polygon selection and we'll select the polygons. You can also copy these two arches and create it by a bridge, but in this case I'm going to extrude it. Once you have selected all the polygons, under edit polygons, use extrude command, and you can change the value by scrolling it up or down. And once you have exploded the arches, now it's turn to copy the top bevel part. Now you can copy it by shift and scrolling it down to the axis. Once you have created a thickness for the bridge, it's time to make a railing for it. So under shapes, we'll go to, under spline, we'll go to line command. Oops, we'll delete it. I'll go to the orthographic view, and then over there we'll try to create a line. So by the help of the spline command, we'll create an outer profile for the railing. Make sure the drag type you have clicked to Bezier for the spline to work, and then by going to the modifier list, we'll apply the command, and then for the direction we'll click onto the y-axis and click onto maximum, then further rotate it. You can scale it down So under this lathe command, you can also do the alignment according to the center or the maximum, depending upon the curve you require, the amount of curve you require. Since I'm not working according to the measurement, so I have to do quite a trial and tested errors for scaling it down, moving it to the bridge to make it as a railing. You can click onto the line command and then change the vertices of the line for the shape of the railing to be, and then you can see the difference. Rotate it to a desired angle and then try to justify it to the try to fix it onto the top of the surface of the bridge. Once you have created this railing, in next video we'll learn